Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge, and I'm going to show you this Dodge Grand Caravan. Here is the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in bright white. So it comes with 17-inch aluminum wheels, a remote start engine, as well as keyless entry. And we'll go take a look under the hood. Under the hood, it has a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar VVT engine, powering a 6-speed automatic transmission. Moving down this GT, it comes with touring suspension. It also has power sliding doors. So there are numerous ways that you can open them. One of them is hitting the button on the remote twice. Another one is just pulling on the door handle once and letting the door do the rest of the work itself. And then there are also buttons in the interior to open and close them as well. So you can just hit the button again, hit that button right there, or again, just pull on the door handle once. Making our way to the back, it does come equipped with a receiving hitch. There also is a backup camera with rear park assist and rear parking sensors. So these sensors are located right along the bottom bumper. It also has a power tailgate. So if you hit the button on the remote twice, it will open nicely for you. There is lots of room with that third row up, but if you need additional storage, it is super easy to use the third row stow and go. So all you have to do is pull on the tabs in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And they fold easily flat just like that. So again, you pull 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then here's what it looks like with that third row completely down. This GT also comes equipped with blind spot and cross path detection warning, and we'll go take a look at the features inside. Inside this Grand Caravan, it does come equipped with Bluetooth. So if your Bluetooth command button's right there, the buttons that control what you see on the dash, as well as the cruise controls. It comes with a 6.5-inch Uconnect touchscreen display, fully equipped with Sirius XM. It does also have navigation, as well as a backup camera, which will automatically appear on the screen when in reverse. It does have that rear park assist, so those lines will nicely guide you into any stall, letting you know if you're getting too close to any vehicle or object. Moving down, you have the front as well as the rear AC and heat controls. The seats in the front are heated with 2 preset temperature settings, and there also is a heated steering wheel. There's lots of storage throughout the center console, so you have a bin here, right here, as well as underneath this, there is another bin right there. It has leather seats. Again, these front seats are heated. And right up here is where you'll find the controls for the power doors as well as the power lift gate. It also has a little mirror right here where you can spy on your rear passengers. And we'll go take a look in the back seats. In the back, those leather seats do continue. So you have your second row bucket seats leading to your third row bench seating. In the back, it comes with its own rear AC and heat control functions, as well as a rear DVD entertainment system. So it does have that third and second row stow and go seating, with the second row stow and go located right there. So you just fold that forward and fold the seats into it and it will fit nicely. Hi, this is Morgan from Sherwood Dodge. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on this GT, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.